Are in Procida, Italy.
See.
It's like a little island off the Amalfi Coast. We just got off the ferry and now we are on our way to this like viewpoint where it's like the most beautiful and most famous view in Procida. So it'll be super pretty and we will see you there.
Yeah.
By the way, it's really bright. That's why I'm squinting so much. Made it to the viewpoint in Procida. Hold on. This town has like that old fishing town vibe kind of thing.
Yeah,
like
definitely.
Yeah. Like it's super cool. It has beachy, relaxed, casual vibe. And we were like in Capri a couple days ago and that has more of a bougie upscale vibe, and this one is kind of the complete opposite but just as beautiful in a different way. The trek up here was like really rough. Like we had to climb uphill to get here and it's so hot today. Like I think it's like 100 degrees and we got super sweaty, but the view is definitely worth it. There's Ivan, he's chilling too. Enjoying the view. Do you like it?
Yeah.
Super nice. And we're just kind of like trying to decide like what we want to do today. So I think we're just gonna end up like enjoying the view for a little while longer and then like walking around in the town. And then we want to find like a restaurant to have some lunch, but we will see. There is this old church. It's called Chiesa Santa Margherita Nuova. Chiesa Santa Margherita Nuova. And it was built in the year 1586. It's probably a church with one of the best views ever because like this is so beautiful. This is the view from the other side of the island. You can see the sea. It's so nice. It's just beautiful. I love it so much. And this is also kind of like the view from the church because the church is right there. So nice. So nice. I was just inside the church, and inside it's actually an art gallery slash like museum, and they had this like mini model of the old Italian town. People hanging clothes, people winding fishing nets, people eating at this restaurant. It just kind of like embodies and really captures that old Italian fishing town lifestyle, and it was really cool. There's some beautiful paintings in there. It was just very interesting. If you're ever in Procida, I definitely recommend coming up to the top, not only to see the amazing 360 view, but also to go inside of the church and like kind of see how they kind of portray the town. We are making our way back down the hill from that viewpoint, and we're just walking around through all of the little streets, and they're all so cute. It has like such an authentic Italian seaport village type of feel. It's amazing, I love it. We were in Capri a couple days ago, as I mentioned, and Capri is also extremely beautiful, but in a different way. This has much more an authentic, true, like people really live their lives here kind of feel. You see like the balconies with all of the clothes hanging because that's how they dry their clothes here. It's just so charming. It has that old school charm, if that makes sense. We're loving it. It's just so nice. Ivan also really likes it. He said that it's worth it because we took like a 1-hour boat ride here. Definitely worth it. So if you're in another town, I highly, highly recommend coming here. So we made it down the hill and we just found this harbor. It's just like a bunch of boats and then it's like a bunch of restaurants and cafes and it's super, super nice down here. I feel like you always find the best places on accident. We found our cute little cafe here on the water. We have such a nice view of the port slash harbor right here and it's in the shade. Luckily because it is so hot today. So we're just gonna get a drink and a snack right now because we just needed to get out of the sun for a few minutes. But it's super nice. Now we are leaving this side of the island, and this is not the main port, it's just kind of like a smaller port, but now we're gonna go to the other side of the island. Is that where the main port is, the other side? Yeah, so that's where the main port is, and look for a nice place to sit down and have some lunch. But this side is so beautiful, and I'm excited to see how the other side looks. Walking into like the main port now on the other side of the island. Found a hat. Oh, that's for little kids.
I am a little kid.
It's true. Aww. It's so cute. Aww. Oh, this one for sure. Oh, thank you so much. For redhead. These are like for babies. Ooh. Does it fit you? I feel like
yes.
Yeah?
Yeah, the whole head.
Uh-huh.
How it looks like.
It looks good.
Let me check myself.
Do you like it?
I don't know.
I feel like
I look weird.
For some reason it looks too small.
It's not for me.
We are in the main port. It's like much bigger. There's like a bit more traffic, but it's still pretty calm and mellow. And we're looking for a place to have lunch. Walking up this really big hill and we're probably gonna get really tired because it's really hot, but we just want to see what's up there. And there was like this sign for like a restaurant, so loud. So we're gonna go up there and check and see what we find. The restaurant that we were trying to go to that's like on top of the hill, it's actually closed. So sad, so we walked up here for nothing, so now we're gonna go back down. Well, I just found like this random corner where there's no people to change my clothes because I was literally like soaking wet from sweating so much, and because I was wearing a denim skirt and it was so like thick, it was so uncomfortable. So I had to put like on this like loose dress and it's so much better, but I'm still like sweating so much. The struggle is real right now. No, we just walked to this market to try to buy some water because literally I've been walking around for like 5 hours and haven't drank anything all day, and it's like so hot and we're sweating, and it was closed. So now we're trying to go to another market. We met this Italian lady and she's gonna show us where we can go to buy some water. Need more. We finally found some water. We just sat down in this little restaurant. They don't serve food, but they serve like ice cream. I guess let's call it like an ice cream store. And I think we're probably just gonna like chill here for a while and take it easy for the rest of the day, to be honest, because it is so hot, like I've said like 100 times. Like super humid. This is like a really nice spot. I'm really feeling it right now. So we're just gonna drink our water. We just got done with our late lunch, I guess.
Yeah.
My caprese salad, it was okay. Like the mozzarella was really, really good. So did you make fun? Oh, they're like dancing. And now we're going to find some like sweet pastries. We made it to the pastry place and everything looks so good. Tongue of the cow. It's basically like it's like a turnover, different shape. It's like long, like the shape of a tongue, but it's like a turnover with cream inside. It's so good. Lemon. The lemon one. So good. Should we get another one?
I want to eat pasta.
Pasta later?
Yes.
Okay. Oh, Zoya got this like thing that looks like a mini pie with wild strawberries on top, and it looks amazing. We ended our time in Procida on a sweet note with some pastries. They were really, really, really good. You should definitely go grab some. So many while you're in Italy in general because they're all amazing and homemade and just like delicious. Procida is such a cute island. It has that old beachy fisherman seaside town kind of vibe. It's so, so, so nice. Definitely stop by if you have the chance. You only really need like, I'd say like a day to see it, but we didn't even see the whole island. Definitely recommend coming here. We are waiting at the port right now for our ferry to come pick us up, and we're heading back to Naples, but we will be in Positano tomorrow, so stay tuned for more. Bye! We just got back from the island Procida. We decided to stop at that same pizza place that we were at like a couple nights ago, Pizzeria Da Michele, because first of all it's like super, super, super good, like the best pizza in Naples pretty much. We just feel like while we're in Naples, just gotta go for it, you know? Just eat as much pizza and pasta as you possibly can, even if you feel...
Pizza. Napoli for pizza, definitely.
Yeah. Naples, definitely pizza, but...
I love it.
Oh, I love it too.